In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an email account to Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have your email connected so you can send and receive messages directly inside your CRM, keep conversations linked to contacts and deals, and save time switching between different tools. First, open your web browser and go to crm.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Zoho credentials so you land on your Zoho CRM homepage or dashboard. Give it a moment to load, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow. Once you're in Zoho CRM, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents the settings area. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where you manage all kinds of configuration options for your CRM, including your email integration. After clicking the gear, you'll be taken to the Setup or Settings page. Here you want to look for the section related to email. Depending on your layout, this might be under a heading like Channels or Communication, but you'll see an option labeled Email. Click on that email option to open the email settings area. Inside the email section, you'll again see an area specifically labeled email. Zoho sometimes separates different email features, so if you see multiple email related options, choose the main one that deals with configuring email accounts, not templates or automation. Click on that to move forward. Next, you should see a welcome or introduction screen for the email configuration, often with a button labeled Get Started. This is Zoho's way of walking you through connecting your email for the first time. Click the Get Started button to begin the setup wizard. Now you'll see a list of popular email providers. Zoho CRM lets you connect several types of accounts. You can choose from Zoho Mail, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Office 365, Outlook, or an other email option. Select the one that matches the email service you use for your business. For example, if you're using a company email hosted on Office 365, choose Office 365. If you're using a custom provider, you'll likely use the other email option. After choosing your provider, Zoho will ask you to choose the protocol to configure. This is usually either IMAP or POP. In most modern setups, IMAP is recommended because it keeps your email in sync across all your devices and maintains a copy on the server. POP is older and typically downloads messages to one device. If you're not sure which one to use, IMAP is usually the safer choice, or you can confirm with your IT team or email host. Select the protocol that applies to your account. Once you've selected the protocol and filled in any required details Zoho asks for, such as your email address or server information if needed, look for the Configure button. This is what actually saves and activates your email connection in Zoho CRM. Click Configure to complete the process. After Zoho processes your configuration, your email account should now be connected to Zoho CRM. From here, you'll be able to send and receive emails directly from within the CRM, link messages to leads and contacts, and keep your communication organized in one central place.